Wireless Android Auto. It's the latest wireless Android Auto model. It comes with Type-C to USB adapter. For how to use, you can refer to our use guide. Just plug to your car and product light on after plugging in. Turn on the phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then find device named and click to pair it. After the pairing is successful, you can perform simple operations. Android Auto support map navigation and voice assistant, easy to travel, can go anywhere you want. It support phone call avoid using your cell phone to answer the phone while driving. And then, Android Auto support play music and volume control. It works with most cars and cell phones.